Hey friends, so I know how stressful it's going to be to find yourself in a situation that you need urgent money. So this is what you have to do. I'm just going to go ahead and show you this website, and you get to choose how much you want for loan, and you can get up to $100, and you can receive a fast loan on this application right away. So in this video, I'm going to show you these platforms, applications, and websites that are really going to give you loan right away after asking. All of these platforms are very trusted, and some of these platforms are going to give you up to $1,000 just for loan. And the good thing about this website is that they're very straightforward. After requesting a loan on this platform, you get that right away. So let's dive in and see all these platforms that are really going to help you, and you're just going to get money just to solve your urgently need. So let's dive in. Alright, so our very first platform is called MoneyLion, and the very good thing about this platform is that it's going to borrow you up to $100 a day. And the good thing about this platform is that you're not going to pay interest fee, but you can decide to give a tip if you want to. This is all about this website. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, which is called moneylion.com. Then you can create your account, which usually takes a very short time for you to join on this platform, and you can request a loan on this platform. So right after joining on this platform, all you want to do right now, you have to link your bank account on this platform, but also you need to provide your work details on this platform. Just by doing that, you can request a loan and you can get $100 right away within 5 minutes. And the very good thing about this platform is that this platform is trusted by more than 19 million people. As you can see here, a lot of people getting loan on this platform because there is no interest fee at all on the platform. So I encourage, if you really need for urgent money, you really have to go to this website. You have to request for a loan, then you can get money right away. So let's now dive into the next platform. So this next platform is called Brigit, and this is a platform that is available on App Store or Play Store. So it's an application. So for you to get a loan on this application, you have to go to Play Store or App Store. Then you have to download this application. Then you can request a loan up to $250, and there are a lot of people who are receiving reasonable amount on this platform. So if you think you're in need of money, you really have to go to this website. All you're needed to do on this platform is that you are needed to provide your bank information so they can see your financial situation and decide how much they are really going to borrow you on the application. So I encourage you really have to go to this website, and this application is very trusted. Many people are getting money on this platform, so you also need to go to this platform right away. Alright, so our next platform is called Devin. And what I really like about this platform is that it's very straightforward, but also is really going to give you up to $500 within 5 minutes if you're eligible. So this is what you are needed to do on this platform. As you can see right here on this page on how you can join on this application and apply on how much you really want to borrow on this application, then you can get your money right away. So I think this is a very trusted platform, and if you're in need of urgent money without complicated paperwork, I think Devin is just for you. You really have to go to this website. You can borrow money right away and get money in a very short time. So you really have to go to Devin and join, then request a loan. Then you can see how much you're really going to get on the platform. So let's move to the next platform. Alright, so if you're currently facing a very hard time, I think you should consider to go ahead and join on this platform, which is called MoneyLion. This website is going to give you up to $250 just for loan, and you can pay back with small interest on this platform. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, you have to join here, and you can see there are a lot of people out here saying that they really got money on the platform. So I really think that among all these websites that are mentioned in this website, if you are in need of instant cash, you have to consider going to this platform right now, join and start receiving this money that you want on the platforms. So I think this is really going to help you. So our last application is called Cash App Borrow, and I'm pretty sure that most of you know about this website. This website is well known for transaction. So if you are really in need of financial assistance right now, you may want to go ahead and ask you for a loan on this platform. But the only thing that is not really good about this website, I think, you just have to be active user of Cash App. You can get up to $200 just for loan on this platform. So this is one of the most trusted platform, and I'm pretty sure that you know about this website. So if you are active user or you're using Cash App, you can go ahead. And I think that is what is the really consider for you to get a loan on this platform. So this is our last application. All right, so today, the last thing that I want to say about all these platforms that are going to borrow you money up to $1,000 on this application, all you want to do right now is that you really have to understand the terms and conditions on each website that are mentioned on this website for you to avoid different pitfalls. But also you just have to be really good at your financial management. And I think if you're just going to do everything that I said in this video, you're really going to get that loan that you really want. You know, sometimes in a life you really need that urgent money for you to solve different problems. So I think this website are really going to help.